you are sending a postcard through the mail. Everyone who handle it can read your message. The mail carrier, the sorting facility, anyone. Now imagine putting that postcard inside a locked metal box that only you and your recipient can open. That's what a VPN does to your internet traffic. It creates an invincible encrypted tunnels that hides everything you do online from prying eyes. Hi, and today we are learning about VPNs, virtual private networks. No news, no attacks, just understanding one of the most important privacy tools. You can use it right now. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted connections between your device and a VPN server. When you browse the internet normally, your internet service provider sees every website you visit. Your employees sees your activity on company Wi-Fi. Hackers on public network can intercept your data. But with a VPN, all your internet traffic is routed through an encrypted tunnel to the VPN server first, then making it impossible for anyone to see what you are doing. Here's what happens step by step. You connect to a VPN. Your device encrypts all the data before it leaves and send it to the VPN server. The VPN server decrypt your request, fetch the data from the internet on your behalf, encrypt it again and send it back to you. To the outside world, it's look like a VPN server is browsing, not you. Your real IP address and location are completely hidden. So why does this matter? First, privacy. Your ISP can no longer sell your browser history to the advertiser. Second, security on public Wi-Fi. Even if hacker intercept your data, all they can see is encrypted gibberish. Third, accessing geo-blocked content. If a website is only available in certain countries, the VPN make it look like you are browsing from there. And fourth, protection from government surveillance in restrictive countries. But here's the critical part. Not all VPNs are created equal. Free VPNs often log your data and sell it to make money, defeating the entire purpose. Choose reputable paid VPN providers with strict no-log policies. Look for a strong encryption standards and server in privacy-friendly countries. VPNs aren't just for tech expert or a people hiding something. They are for anyone who values privacy in the age where every click is tracked, recorded, and sold. Your internet activity is your business, nobody else. A VPN ensures it stays that way. Do you use a VPN? Which one and why you are using that VPN? Share me in the comments. See you tomorrow with another insights. Thank you for your time.